All right, now we're going to go through the process of coupling a 2.5. So you can do it the same way that we did the 1 3/4, but the 2.5 you also have the option because of the wider opening. It's a little easier. You can sleeve this and then put it together. So again, this went in the same way. Put this in first and then house this down. Now this is the collar that we're utilizing to get our depth. So same way we did 1 3/4. Want to make sure that that inner gasket's out, so as this expands, it comes back up against there, so we know that our depth. So again, put it back on. We're just going to expand this out. You can see it opening up here. And there it caught, so we know we're bottomed out and where this O-ring would actually sit right in here. We're going to reel this down. Just like we did with the 1 3/4, we're looking at about half of that O-ring or gasket, distance-wise. And there we got it. And back this back out. Put our O-ring back in for the hose. That way it's seated down inside there. Now with the 2.5,